ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತೇರ ಕಿಚನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಾರ್ನಿಂದ ವಿನೂತನ ತಿನಿಸಿನ ಅನುಭವಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾಲನೆ. ತೆಲುಗಿನ ಖ್ಯಾತ ನಟ ನಿಖಿಲ್ ಸಿದ್ಧಾರ್ಥ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಮಾರತ್ತಹಳ್ಳಿ ಹೊರವರ್ತುಲ ರಸ್ತೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಹೊಸ ಅಂತೇರ ಕಿಚನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಾರನ್ನು ಉದ್ಘಾಟಿಸಿದರು. ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 18, 2024 ಬುಧವಾರದಂದು ಅಸಾಧಾರಣ ತಿನಿಸಿನ ಅನುಭವಗಳಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಹೆಸರಾದ ಅಂತೇರ ಕಿಚನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಾರ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ತನ್ನ ವ್ಯಾಪ್ತಿ ವಿಸ್ತರಿಸಿದೆ. ತೆಲುಗು ಶ್ರೀಮಂತ ರುಚಿಯನ್ನು ನಗರದ ಹೃದಯ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ತಂದಿದೆ. ನಟ ನಿಖಿಲ್ ಸಿದ್ಧಾರ್ಥ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಯಾಗಿ ಚಾಲನೆ ನೀಡಿದ್ದು, ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವು ಗ್ಲಾಮರ್ ಮತ್ತು ವಿಶೇಷ ರುಚಿಯನ್ನು ಆಸ್ವಾದಿಸುವ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಅಂತೇರಾದ ಸಂಸ್ಥಾಪಕರಾದ ಅನುರಾಗ್ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ, ಆಶೀಶ್ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ಪಾಲುದಾರರಾದ ನಾಗೇಶ್ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಅವರು ಈ ಹೊಸ ರೆಸ್ಟೋರೆಂಟನ್ನು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ತರಲು ಸಂತೋಷ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸಿದರು. ಆಂಧ್ರಪ್ರದೇಶ, ತೆಲಂಗಾಣ ಮತ್ತು ರಾಯಲಸೀಮಾ ಹೆಸರುಗಳ ಮೊದಲಕ್ಷರಗಳ ಸಂಯೋಜನೆ ಅಂತೇರ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಹೊಸ ಶಾಖೆ ಉದ್ಘಾಟಿಸಿದ ಟಾಲಿವುಡ್ ನಟ ನಿಖಿಲ್ ಸಿದ್ಧಾರ್ಥ ತಮ್ಮ ಅನಿಸಿಕೆ ಹಂಚಿಕೊಂಡರು.
The entire media, the social media and all the media networks are here to Antera. It's a very, very special place for me from lots of years. Already you might be knowing that in Hyderabad there are many Anteras that are have been opened. There are beautiful, brilliant restaurants that you can come along with your entire family. And this is like, Ashish and Anurag, they are the ones who've brainchild this, and they have taken it so forward. With one branch they started, and today it is 7th branch, 8th branch.
Yeah, first in Bangalore.
And we are in first in Bangalore. We are in Marathahalli right now. We are starting off with Indiranagar also. And we know that the people of Bangalore are very, very welcoming, especially the movies also. My first film was Happy Days, which released in 2007, and from that time I keep coming to Bangalore every single time and all over Karnataka to thank the public, and the movies keep running very well. And I think you all know that my film Kartikeya 2 was dubbed into Kannada, and it performed very well in the Kannada language also. So we have a lot of respect, and I'm still learning the language. But next time when I meet you all, when I meet the media, I'll speak completely in Kannada, and this is my promise. And also, yes. And you might be seeing me in different movies till now with different hairstyles. This is for my new movie Swayambhu. That is also going to be a pan-Indian release, and that's why I'm in a different look. But I'm here today to support my family and my friends, and also I want to congratulate my Baba Garu, Amarnath Garu and Mahendranath Garu for also becoming a small part of Antera from now. And yes, I want to tell the people, Bangaloreans, you want great food, great ambience, and with your family you want to come along and chill. For young people, old people, kids, this is a very, very beautiful place, and you will love the food of Antera. I can guarantee you this. This is my favorite, and after this I want everybody to come along and taste the food with me, and just give it a chance once. Come along here, come to the restaurant, and I'm telling you, you will feel as if you are at home. You're eating beautiful food which is made by your mom or your grandmother. It's going to be that tasty and that yummy. This is our promise. Come here, and we are going to make sure we are all happy. Yes.
Sir, why you like this hotel's food in a single word?
Sir, I'll tell you, sir.
Why you like?
In one word, very difficult, sir. I'll tell it in 2-3 words.
Yeah.
Sir, it is a family experience. It is not just you come alone, whatever. It has got something for everybody. And I think you see the interiors. The interiors are mind blowing. And you have different themes from our South Indian culture, and I think when you see outside, you have lots of Hampi structures. You have structures from all our architectural wonders. So I want to congratulate the architects also for doing this brilliant job. And ma'am is right there. This is a great job, ma'am. And I think refreshing and keeping people excited is very important. So it's a 600-seater.
Yeah.
It's a huge, massive place. And I just want to say congratulations. And I want Anurag to speak some words. I want Ashish to speak some words.
Sure. Thank you for the good words.
Yes. Please go.
This is our maiden project in Bangalore. It's located in Marathahalli, Outer Ring Road. These are the flavors of Andhra, Telangana and Rayalaseema put together as Antera. It's a very prudent restaurant, very proved restaurant in Hyderabad. And you get a piece of everything. Hyderabad say you get biryanis, which is very famous.
Telangana.
Which is Telangana say you get paya, shorba. Each piece of Telugu food, and with a fusion twist. You get your ragi mudde and nati kodi also here, which is a Rayalaseema based also. So Kannada food is not that different when compared to Telugu food also. Just flavor difference is there, little bit of spice difference is there. We'd love to serve you here. We'd love to host you here. Please try out Antera. And soon we'll be opening our second branch at Indiranagar 100 feet road as well. Welcome there as well.
Sir, any reason behind opening your restaurant in this area?
Because we love Bangalore.
No, the particular area in
This is Marathalli. This is because of the IT crowd mainly focused in Marathalli. This is also called as Mini Andhra somehow, and it's very welcoming. Marathalli, we love all of Bangalore, but Marathalli basically we love because of the number of outlets that have opened here, and we know people of Bangalore are very energetic in taking those new places and accepting the places and trying new places out. That is why we came to. Actually, we had to launch the Indiranagar place as well. That's getting delayed by a month.
No, we'll just use one word. ನಮ್ಮ ರೆಸ್ಟೋರೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತೀರಾಗ ಬಂದು ಫುಡ್ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಡೂ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಮೀ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ರಾಮಿಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ನಿಖಿಲ್. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಗೂಗಲ್ ಮೀ ಲೈಕ್ ಯು ನೋ.
I'm sure they wouldn't need it.
No,
but
definitely.
Thank you very much. All of you as well, please have your food and let us know your feedback.
Do come with family, kids, and taste our food. Nam restaurant one day food taste one.
ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಲೋಗೋ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಅಂತೀರಾ.
ಯಾಕೆ ಸರ್
Antera means Andhra, Telangana, Rayalaseema. It's a fusion of three regions from Telugu and
Regions of Telugu.
regions of Telugu, and we like to put everything together in Bangalore also.
So if you add Karnataka, Kantera.
Antera in Kannada.